Hello everyone. So today I'm going to show you how to make this character move left side to and right side on while this character is hanging on a ledge like this. And as always, this episode is sponsored by these generous patrons. Thank you very much for the support you guys are giving me. Right, so this is where we are at the moment. I can jump and hang on the ledge, but I can't move or climb up. So the next thing I want to implement is climbing up part. Now let's first work on moving left and right. So first, in order to move left or right, I need to figure out whether is there a left into this that can I move left on this sledge, because let's say we are in a place like this, then I would not be able to move further into the left without blocking myself. So therefore, alright, let's do this. Let's first open our character blueprint, Sage Human, and these are useless. Right, now when I am on the ledge, my this variable, this moment state is changed to on wall. So when I'm on the wall, I can do this. Here, when I press this on move, when I press right, movement input, here I need to see whether can I walk, can I move left or right. Let's do it like this. While I am on the wall, let's do a branch. If axis value is equal, let's use this nearly equal to 0 with the error tolerance of 0.1. So I guess this would return true if my axis value is closer to 0 with a tolerance of 0.1. So yeah, if this is true, I don't have to do anything. If this is false, that means either I am trying to move left or move right. So here, if I am trying to move left, I need to see whether is it possible to move left or right on the ledge. Right, so if this one is larger than 0, let's do a line trace by channel, and the starting position should be like this. When I am on the wall, if I am trying to move right, I should trace a line slightly right from the character towards the ledge, towards the wall. So starting position would be get actor location, and also get actor right vector. This plus this vector multiplied by some amount, let's say 30 or 50. Let's troubleshoot this value later, and that is the starting point, and the ending point is this vector plus get forward vector of the actor, get actor forward multiplied by what is the exact value we have used in the line trace that we use to detect the ledges. Let's see. It should be here 200. Alright, let's use the same value. This should be multiplied by a float 200. And to the end, let's use the ledge trace channel. I have used ledge everywhere, right? Yeah, just checking whether I have forgot that. Alright, and I'll enable debug type for duration. If let's check this first. Just need to see if it is working. Right, so here I need to select either plus 50 or minus 50 based on the result of this. So I'll select based on this. If it is false, it should be minus 50, otherwise it should be plus 50. So that's how I determine whether I'm trying to move left or right, and whether there is space in the left side or in the right side in my ledge so that I can move. Let's see whether the traces are alright. Okay, now I'm trying to press left and I don't see any traces. Why is that? Let's press right. Still don't see any traces. Let me check. Right, I should have connected it here, not into the true. Okay, yeah, I can see the traces in left and right when I press left right. Okay, so right, so let's just go ahead and add movement input. If this is a heat, this is the simplest way to, this will only work for straight walls, but later I will modify this system to work on walls with odd shapes, not only for straight walls. Let's see. So that's the problem, right? So when I am in the wall, I need to set this. I need to disable this orient rotation to movement false. I need to set it false. So where do I set this? To right here. All right, let's do a switch. No, set orient rotation to movement. Set orient rotation to movement, and I'm going to select this based on the movement state. So if it is working, maybe I'll just enable it, but I think this would make some conflicts with if I am trying to use bow and arrow or something, or while I'm in a fight. So we have to troubleshoot it later. So definitely when I'm jumping is alright. When I'm on the wall, I need to make sure this is disabled. Okay, and since I am on the wall, right, this happens. Okay, when I am on the wall, that means I'm on the fly. The moment is not controlled because let's check in the flying state. Do we have settings for that? Okay, so I think I need to set this braking deacceleration flying value to, what's the value we have for walking? It's 500. Default is 248. Shall we try that? I'm not sure whether it would introduce more problems, but let's just go ahead and try it. 2048. Okay, flying speed is definitely too much. So yeah, I'll decrease max fly speed to 150. Let's see. Okay, and I have moved back also, so that's wrong. Looks like we have to do more than just detecting whether I can move left or right. How do I make sure I stays glued to the wall? Ah, right, this is the problem. Yeah, here is the problem. Let me show you. Here I get the control direction. Instead of this direction should be the left or right. Yeah, let's get the right vector and multiply it by this. So I think no, that's not it. I have to select this based on this, and if it is false it should be -1, otherwise it should be +1, and that should be the world direction. Still this would not be perfect, I think, but let's give it a try. Okay. Oh, I have it right vector. For some reason it always moves right. Okay, I don't think I have to do this because the direction also affected by this scale. So get that as right vector, just plug in here. Right, sorry about that. That was a double negative. Right, now I can move right, and also I can move left and right. Animation speeds are not matching. Maybe let's check that. Let's check the blend space for climbing. I set the maximum value, maximum speed while flying to 150. What's the value we have here? It's 100. So let's set this to 100. Okay, that seems fine. But my hands are still up. Does not really match with the ledge. So for that, first I need to level these animations. How can I do that? Front. Okay, let's try to set this right while we have the moving. The top of the top of the fingers are here, and while I am here, it's here. So I need to, in this hanging idle, I need to adjust this. Maybe let's try 45 and re-import. Not enough. 55 and re-import. Yeah, it seems okay. A little bit off, but how when we are moving? That seems fine. No, it should match. Let's make it perfect. So maybe in the hanging idle, let's use 52. Right, now the difference is minimum. What is it? Rotate. Okay, I think it's all right now. So we need to now make something fix where. Yeah, here. Now let's see what happens. Okay, now hands are in the same level, but I need to do some adjustments. Here instead of 2, maybe let's try 1.9. I hope that would not be too much. Oh, that's not enough. That's the correct place I have to do this, right? Yeah. Okay, let's forget about this half height thing. What's the half height? And let's manually set the value. Half height is 88, so this must be minus let's try 160. Okay, that's too much. Okay, 190 works perfectly. Let me show you. See, it's fine now. Okay, and I'll stop this episode at this point. And don't forget to check my third-person shooter series. I have released a new episode yesterday, and also I released a source code update as well recently. And thanks for watching. I'll continue with this climbing system in this series tomorrow also. And if you like to support my work, you can always get the membership of my Patreon club. And thanks for watching. See you in the next episode. Goodbye.